Do you love apple pie? Me too. But I've lost 229 pounds and I don't want all those calories and all that sugar right now. No. So I made an apple pie protein coffee out of this world. Out of this world. Let me show you. So I'm doing hot coffee today, but you can totally make this ice. Just add ice to your cup, obviously. 0 calories, 0 sugar, salted caramel, skinny sauce, a little drizzle inside. Yes. Ignore my hard water spots. Yes, I use Jet Dry. It doesn't work all the time. Depends on how big you are in coffee. Anywhere between 8 and 12 ounces. Butamus. And I did not come up with Butamus. Do you guys remember that granny? I think she was GV. So cute. She used to say that. I loved it. Okay. Obviously, I told you a million times, I'm obsessed with candy apple skinny syrup. So let's do like 3 to 4 pumps. I told y'all I love my coffee super sweet. So cut back on the skinny syrups if you don't like it so sweet. I'm doing 4. And then brown sugar cinnamon skinny syrup. This is a new one that I got. It's new to me. I did 3 pumps in there. 4. Make it 4. Why not? All right. I'm going to use a cake batter protein shake. Oh my gosh. Babe, I wish you could smell this. Okay. Now let's make a protein foam for it. All right. Protein shake. Sorry, my cat. He's scratching in the litter box. Little candy apple skinny syrup in. Just a little. Brown sugar cinnamon skinny syrup in. A little drizzle. So we have apple pie protein cold foam. Magic's about to happen. Gorgeous foam going in. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Last but not least, let's top it with a little 0 calorie, 0 sugar salted caramel. I wish I could show you. I'm sorry. I need to get like a glass big one of these. But top it. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I gotta show you. Hold on. Hold your horses. Gorgina. I totally didn't stir my skinny syrups in here. Oh well, we're all good. That is so good. Y'all best go make that right now.